In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add partner in Meta Business Suite. If you're collaborating with an agency or another business and want them to work on your pages, ad accounts, pixels, or catalogs without sharing passwords, adding them as a partner is the safest and most professional way to do it. You'll need admin access to your business manager to follow along. If you're not an admin, ask your team's admin to update your role first. Start by opening Meta Business Suite in your browser and head into Business Settings. Inside Business Settings, look for the gear icon for Settings. This is where you control access and permissions across your business assets. From there, go to Users, then select Partners. This section is specifically designed for granting another business access, which is different from adding individual people to your own business. Next, click Add. You'll see options for how you want to connect. Choose Give a Partner Access to Your Assets. This ensures the other company manages your selected assets from within their own business manager, while you stay in control of what they can see and do. Now it's time to enter the partner ID. Ask your partner for their business ID. This is a numeric identifier found in their business info within business settings. It's not an email or a page name. For accuracy, have them copy and paste it directly. Avoid sharing any sensitive details. The ID alone is all you need. Once you have the correct business ID, enter it and click Next. You'll now assign assets and set permissions. Pick the assets you want to share, pages, ad accounts, pixels, catalogs, or others, and choose the appropriate level of access. For example, a page might need content publishing and messaging permissions, while an ad account might require campaign management and reporting. Give only what the partner actually needs to do their job, and keep sensitive or unused assets unassigned. You can always come back and adjust these settings later. When you're satisfied, save your changes to finalize access. That's it. Your partner will now see the assigned assets in their business manager and can begin working. If you don't see the partner section or can't assign assets, double check that you have admin permissions on both the business and the specific assets. If an error appears when entering the business ID, confirm it's the correct current ID from their business info. After saving, you can return to the Partners tab anytime to review, modify, or remove access as your collaboration evolves. This approach keeps your business secure while streamlining teamwork across Meta's tools.